What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. The cleaners have been here the last few hours. They just cleaned the crib. Benefits of renting an Airbnb. Sometimes it comes with cleaners. So it smells fresh. It looks fresh. And I'm feeling fresh. So we're gonna go over XRP. We're making some juicy profits here. With our trade signals, which are accessible in the Discord at the $10 membership. Hold on, I just lost connection to my mouse. So I'm gonna go over the exact trade setup and explain why I took the trade on XRP. So currently we're sitting at 78 cents. We're up almost 9% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 37.34 billion. 24-hour volume, 2.89 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of their incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's pop over to XRP. So here we are on the 4-hour time frame. So our first entry was here at 69 cents. Our second entry was 62 cents, equal amounts. So if it comes down, brings down your average price, and then there's a stop loss underneath. So I posted it here in the Discord. As you can see, XRP long, first entry 69.8, second entry 62.3, stop loss 0.577, leverage 1 to 2x, take profit 75, 79, 84, 90. So we're going to quickly pop back open to XRP. Just going to quickly open this back up so everything is visible. So you can see a perfect bounce off our first entry, and we've already hit 2 of our take profit zones. So that was a juicy trade of, wow, about 14%, almost 15% here. So the reason that I took this trade is as follows. You can see here we have a bullish divergence. We're creating lower lows while creating higher lows on the RSI, as well as a higher low on the money flow here, which is an early sign that the bears are running out of strength. That's the first reason I took the trade. If we scroll back, you can see all the support in this area where these wicks came down to, where this wick came down to. If I scroll back here, just give me a quick second, guys. We bounced here. We had resistance here. We had support right here. Let me scroll back. Yeah, a little bit of resistance here as well. Resistance in this area. So this was a massive, massive level of support. That's the second reason that I took the trade. And the third reason I took the trade is on the daily time frame. Let me quickly pop it open here. So you can see here on the daily, let me just open this up. The money flow on the daily time frame was very, very low at the bottom section, and that's usually when you're going to see a bounce. So that's the third reason I took the trade. I'm just going to quickly pop over to the 4-hour time frame. So trading is all about probabilities. Is there a higher probability that you're going to see a bounce, or a higher probability that the price is going to continue to fall? So in my opinion, there was a higher probability the price was going to bounce, and that's exactly what happened. Now, price can still go the other way. This is crypto. Anything can happen. And that's why I like to have 2 entries, because if we continue to sell off here, I could bring down my average price. If we saw a beautiful bounce, then I make profits on that trade. So I just thought I would explain that to you guys, and hopefully it can help you along your trading journey. And if you want my exact entries, exits, take profit, stop loss, it's the $10 membership. Sign up to the Patreon, you'll get access to the Discord. So in my last video, I talked about this falling wedge. I said, look, if we fall out, we are in a technical target down to about 63 cents, which is still a possibility here. You can see we've had a beautiful bounce, but of course you can get rejected and roll over. So if that were to happen here, there's also the possibility of seeing a double bottom pattern. We come down, we create a double bottom, and we can push back up and break out. Let's quickly pop over to the 1-hour time frame, see if we can see a divergence here on the 1 hour. So there is no bearish divergence here on the hourly, which is a good sign, because of course a bearish divergence can lead to a pullback. So what we may do here is create a little bit of a bull flag pattern. Quickly drop out my little trend lines. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope the pets are healthy. And you're going to take it from the bottom of the pattern, pull out your flag to the top, and take it to your point of breakout. So if you do see it start to push up with some volume, could head all the way up past our third take profit zone at 84 cents, and that would take you all the way up to about 86 cents for XRP. But we are overbought, which can be an indicator of a move back down, or simply some consolidation before seeing continuation. So we're going to pop over to the daily time frame. As you can see here, we broke out of the symmetrical triangle. We met the target. I was talking about the hidden bullish divergence in my last video. We created a higher low while creating a lower low on the RSI, as well as we are very close to oversold and the money flow. That does give you a good opportunity for a bounce, and that's exactly what we've seen here. So if we fail to get back above the EMAs, we can come down and retest these lows. If that support is lost, I would expect you to come back down to the support of this massive symmetrical triangle, which is coming in at about 61 cents. If we can break above the EMAs, hold them as support, you're going to come up to retest about 90 cents and the top of this massive symmetrical triangle pattern. As you can see, we're beginning to squeeze towards the apex. And with our dollar cost average strategy, equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. As a spot trader, we've had 3 entries with our break even sitting at 0.075. So currently you're up in your trade. I think it's just a few percentages here. Yeah, about 2%. So my DCA spot position, I'm going to leave open for now. If it does push up a little higher, I'll look to take profits and put my stop loss at my break even as well as my first entry. Everything is explained in the Discord. The DCA strategy is $350 USD, and then the trade signals come in at $10 USD per month. All right, guys. So that's basically it for XRP. I would watch the EMAs here. Let me quickly remove these squigglies here. On the daily, if we do get rejected, we could come back down for a retest of about 69 cents, create that double bottom. If that support is lost, do target about 60 cents here. You can see we bounced right off the bottom section of the money flow. So if we do push up, I'd watch for resistance right in between about 86 cents and 90 cents. You see resistance here, resistance right here, resistance in this area, support in this area, support here. So that would be a major level for XRP. Of course, if we can get back above the golden ratio, let me grab my brush, and we can break out of this pattern, could be a massive breakout back to the upside. But if we do get rejected, we lose this level of support at 68, just come down and target about 60 cents for XRP. I have closed half my position here and moved my stop loss up to my break even. If I start to see a bearish divergence, I will close the rest of my trade and wait for a re-entry. Maybe I'll take a short if I see a bearish divergence, and of course I'll be calling it out in my Discord. That is it for this one. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,800 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. The DCA trade strategy fully explained, the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, buy and take profit zones if you want to start dollar cost averaging into your positions, and of course my trade signals, I can't open it up because then you'd be able to view it. The trade signals come in at $10 a month, and everything else is accessible at $350 USD. You can sign up through the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. My camera is blinking red, meaning it's gonna die. So I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love, take care.